In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start earning passive income online promoting CPA offers. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to CPALead.com if you don't have an account already. And all you need to do is to click on the sign up button to create an account. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you need to do is to enter your basic details and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and all you need to do is to scroll down and pick an offer that you want to promote from CPALead.com. And I'm going to show you one of the best offers that you can use to start making money right now as a complete beginner. So all you need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in cash giraffe. So once you do that, you're going to see these offers right here. As you can see, the first one is going to pay you $1.20 for everyone who completes this offer. So if I click on this offer, as you can see, this offer is available on Android only, and you're going to get paid $1.20 for everyone who completes this offer. As you can see right here, this offer wants traffic from France and United Kingdom. I'm going to show you in this video how to get targeted traffic and make at least $200 every day on this offer. If you get just 200 people a day to sign up for this offer, you're already making over $200. And I'm going to show you how to do this with free and paid traffic. So the first thing you want to do is to create a landing page, and you can use Google Sites to create a free landing page, or you can use breezy.io to create a landing page. And you want your landing page to look very simple, something like this. All right, as you can see, these are some images of people making money using this app. All right, so if you go over to Google and you type in cash giraffe, you're going to see this is an app available in the App Store that people can download and start making money using this app. All right, as you can see right here, over 5 million people have downloaded this app already. So all you just need to do is to save these images to your device. And once you save them to your device, you'll be able to include these images on your landing page. And when people come over to your landing page, and once people click on the download button, they will be taken to the download page where they can install this app on their Android device and you make money. All you need to do is to go over to Quora.com. So once you come over to Quora, all you need to do is to go over to the search section, and you want to type in keywords like this. As you can see, what is the best app to earn money? All right, so you can type this depending on whatever country you are targeting. You can see best app to earn money in US. All you need to do is to look for questions like this. So once you do that, you're going to see all these questions, and all you need to do is to click on answer. So once you do that, all you need to do is to go over to Google and type in ChatGPT. And once you do this, you want to click on the first link to create an account. And once you create your account, it's very simple. All you need to do is to type in that same question on ChatGPT. So once you type in the same question, you want to click on send message. So once ChatGPT provides you the answer, all you need to do is to scroll down and you want to click on this copy button. So once you copy that answer, all you need to do is to paste it in Quora. And from here, you want to scroll to the top of this page. So you want to type in something very simple like this. This app pays you daily for playing games on your Android device. Keep in mind, this offer wants installs from Android device only. So once you do this, you want to click on this font button, and here you want to click on this link icon. So once you click this, you want to type in your landing page link right here, and you want to click on add. So if you do this, as you can see right here, once people click on this link, they will be taken to the App Store to install this app on their mobile device. So you want to repeat the same process, and you want to answer all of these questions right here, and you will definitely be getting free traffic from Quora. All right, so the second method you can use for free traffic is to come over to this filter section, and you want to change it to the past week. So if you do this to the past week, you are going to see a lot of questions that don't even have answers. All right, you can see right here, these are a lot of questions without an answer. You can see this one posted just last Saturday, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is to basically copy these questions, paste it in ChatGPT, get the answer, and you want to paste in the answer right here with your link. You can see another one right here. This one also does not have an answer. You can see this one, no answer. So I can keep scrolling down and you are going to see a lot of questions without answer. So you can take advantage and use this to drive traffic to that CPA offer. So now the second method is using paid traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So all you need to do is to go over to business.quora.com, and once you come over here, all you need to do is to click on get started and you'll be able to create an ad account right away. So once you create an ad account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, and all you need to do from here is to click on create campaign. So before I proceed, I'm going to show you what an ad look like on Quora. So this is an example of an ad right here. You can see it says sponsored, and this is the ad right here. And once people click on this free trial, it's going to take them to this person landing page, and if they convert, this person is going to make money. So as you can see, this is also another ad right here by Grammarly, and now once people click on this download, they will be able to download this app to their device. All right, so once you come over to your account, you want to give your campaign a name, and now you want to select an objective that is suitable for that offer. All right, as you can see, we have several objectives right here, and now you can see we also have app install, but unfortunately we won't be able to use this app install objective, because if you click on this app objective, as you can see, Quora has specific supporters that they allow to use this option. And now if I click on this here to see their partners, as you can see, these are their partners right here, which they allow to use to enable you track your installs. But this is not going to work for this campaign, so I recommend you stick to driving traffic. So you want to make sure to select drive visitors to your website. Okay, so once you select this, for this section, this is where you want to type in your budget. So this is going to depend on the budget you have. So I'm going to take $5 a day as an example. Okay, and here you want to select when you want your campaign to start. If you want it to start immediately, you want to select this. But if you want it to start in a different time, you want to also select that as well. Okay, so once you do this, all you need to do is to click on continue. And now this is where you want to create your first ad set. Okay, so here you want to type in the country you want to target. And now since the offer wants traffic from United Kingdom and France, you want to target United Kingdom and France. But I recommend you target each country separately in different ad sets. All right, so for this one, we are going to take only United Kingdom on this ad set. So, and here you want to select the gender you want to drive this traffic to, and I recommend you start out with all genders first. So now here you want to select the type of targeting you want. All right, if you want contextual or you want audience, behavioral or broad, I always recommend you select contextual, because you can target people who are interested in topics related to that offer. So if I come over here and I type in topics like this, as you can see, earn money by playing games on Android. You can see another one, earn money from app. So once you do this, you want to scroll down to where it says placement, and here you want to choose specific placement, and you want to remove these digest emails. All right, as you want to target only people who are on Quora platforms. All right, and here you want to come over to device and browse, and here you want to click on choose specific device and browsers, and here you want to disable desktop traffic, and you want to enable only Android, since this offer wants traffic from only Android device. All right, so you want to scroll down, and here you want to change this bid. You want to reduce it as low as possible to something like 20 cents, and keep in mind this offer is going to pay you $1.20. So it's definitely still profitable if you spend only 20 cents to get $1. So once you do that, here you want to then click on continue. So here you want to give your ad a name, and here you want to scroll down. You can select various types of ads that you want, but I highly recommend you go for image ads, as it's going to stand out and capture people attention more. So here you want to type in a name for the business. So I'm going to leave this as XB marketing, and here you want to type in an headline and body for the ad. So you want to type in something very simple like this: it's time to get lucky and get the money you deserve for playing games. All right, and here you want to type in the body of the ad like this. And for this call to action, since we want people to install the app, all you need to do is to change this to download. And for the image, you want to use an image that resonates with the ad. All right, so you want to use something like this, since you are directing traffic to this website. And for this section, you want to make sure to change it to mobile review, because you're going to be running this ad on mobile. Okay, and for this section, you want to upload a logo as well. So once you're done, this is where you want to add a link to your landing page. So once people click on this link, they will be taken to your website. And once they click on the download button, they will be redirected to the App Store to download this app. And once they download the app, you make $1.20. So it's that simple. Okay, so once you're done with this, you want to then click on continue. So once you do that, since this is your first ad account, they will ask you to add a payment method. And here you want to click on add new card. So this is where you want to basically enter your basic details and you'll be able to add your credit card details. So once you do that, your ad is going to be sent for review. And once it gets approved, you're going to start getting traffic and start making money.